Guys, I started a no salt, no sugar added to the vegan diet that we were already on, or plant-based diet. This is here stuff is all sugar-free, salt-free. So we have here, I put in salt-free ketchup, pineapple juice for the sugar, and garlic powder and onion powder, and a little splash of apple cider vinegar. Then we have some baked Yukons with avocado. Then we have the homemade broccoli from our garden, so it's organic. Then we have, I can't think, squash. This is the kabocha squash. And then this is my cornbread recipe, which is on my channel if you hadn't seen it. But the difference is I'm using something different inside of them. They don't turn out as thick, but I'll show you what that is. So this is what I got now. It's a baking soda substitute by Energy, and you can see the back that here's the ingredients. So it substitutes, and it works great. Okay, hopefully you'll like this little video. Have a great day and stay healthy and stay tuned.